Very cool. Of course you come from behind.
I'm gonna have to get my wobble extension.
What are you doing there, Chris?
Looking for a wobble extension so that I can get in there and get those off. Oh, nope, that's not gonna get it. There we go.
That makes it nice and easy taking that apart.
Oh yeah, big time. Just gonna set these here. Okay.
So it's dropping.
Yeah. All right.
So this is how we are holding up the entire rig. And I'm using these.
I'll try to find I'll get a soft one for it.
So originally I was going to drive up with my front axle onto a ramp, and then this was going to stay suspended, leave my truck connected, and then swap it out. But Chris needs a ride to drop off his truck to get his brakes done, and if my truck's connected, we're not going to be able to help him out. And these mosquitoes are tiny, but it's so humid outside a little bit from the moisture.
Yep.
Look at you, you're a pro and you didn't know it.
Right? You're gonna have to clean that up real good. Get all that dirt out of there. Yeah, I did. I borrowed a trailer to get my dad's Jeep out of Kansas, and the bearings took a dump about halfway back, and I had to sit in a parking lot and do this. They just kind of fell apart on me. That was fun. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
No socket needed.
So there's no cotter pin?
No, there's no cotter pin. It's just the lock washer here. He's talking about looking in here, and it's nice and smooth. So I would save yourself some money and reuse these.
So we're not taking the whole thing off just yet?
No, I think we'll bring it to Bill just like this, and he can replace the pads for us and put some new springs on there. Yep. It just didn't sound like on the phone, it didn't sound like he had drums in stock.
So maybe these don't get cotter pins.
No.
And we lasted all this time.
Yep. Feels pretty smooth.
Alrighty.
Okay. Ready to drop the axles.
Alright.
Finish taking these other two out. Actually, I think I'd like to support each side as it comes down too, so it doesn't just drop down into the dirt. I think I'll have better luck from the inside on this one. For some reason it's not wanting to get in there. There we go.
Alright, this is his workshop.
I'm getting it down on the ground. I want it to drop down.
You're strong.
Don't be flirting with me now. All right, I'll drop this off with Bill and.
So, do you want to drop the thing here first?
Yep. You drop the trailer.
So I'll move my truck. Say, and if you make enough money, then one day you can buy yourself a new pair of jeans.
Yeah, one of
But
these
for
days
now,
I'll get a new
slave
set.
labor. Come on, let's
Yeah.
keep going.
There you go. That's a good goal. No more new clothes for Chris until I make some money on YouTube.
That's right. What's all in there?
Greece. You ever been to Greece?
No.
Have you seen the movie? John Travolta?
Yes.
All right, there you go.
I don't really
All
like
right, so
it.
you can relate to a little bit of Greece.
Yeah.
All right, it's good. It's
But we
good.
don't have to clean all that shit, right?
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's coming out of there.
Really?
These are the seals that Bill just gave us. We got brand new seals.
Oh, that's what he's talking
Yeah,
about?
that's right there. Yeah.
That sounds like a lot of work.
I mean, I don't have a truck to go do anything else, so
Yeah,
I'm
that's
stuck.
true. You
I'm
are
stuck here.
now. See, I
stuck
wasn't
here.
expecting all this. I just want to drop and put in a new one.
Yeah, but then you wouldn't see how all of this goes together.
Yeah, I don't really care. I used to do this on cars years ago. and,
Yeah.
there's a reason why I'm not a mechanic.
And I need the repetition and the, you know. All right, so these are fun to pull out of here. Can't imagine doing that with a smaller one. Okay, we'll get those out of there, get them cleaned up. These are garbage.
Man, so much extra work.
I know. You know what we should have done, Remy? We should have just ordered one online, like all pre-assembled and ready to go.
I know. All right, nice and clean, or clean enough. This will work fine. Very happy with that. Chris, it seems like you're in a hurry. What's going on, man?
No, it's just like riding a bicycle, man. Used to do this a lot, but it's been about 20 years or so since
you packed.
since I did it regularly, yeah. Like at work.
So is the red color mean it's the best grease you can buy on the planet?
Oh, yeah, definitely. If you,
Okay.
if you
good.
get the green stuff, just run the other way.
Okay, green stuff's bad.
Yeah.
Okay. They come in different colors for real?
Yeah, you'll see different colors every once in a while. I'm gonna grab, as soon as you get here, I gotta grab my other tool here. Alright. If you're holding that camera, I'm going to get a torque wrench.
I can't turn it off.
Okay. Let's get that to pop down in there, and we are ready for the wheel and tire.
Watching that fit.
That would suck balls, wouldn't it?
Oh, it's good.
21. It's a flip socket.
Oh. Hey, are you using a torque wrench? Because some YouTuber will tell you you're doing it wrong.
Oh, they always do. Yep, they say when you start fixing stuff, you graduate into one of the classes, like in Harry Potter. I put the sorting hat on and I got Makita.
Oh, the tire's not fitting. Dirt's in the way?
Yep. Real good.